G'day viewers, Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. Here's my next update on this HMV F5A6 black and white TV restoration progress on the same day as the previous video. Okay, yeah, I was trying to look for the focus control and we're having great difficulty because I'm actually finding once again that some of the circuitry on this TV is not conforming to that of the schematic diagram. So, but I was tracing back to the what's supposed to be the focus control from pin 1 of this socket here that goes to the cafe ray tube. Well, anyway, I traced it back to this potentiometer here, but to the middle pin. It doesn't trace back to one of the side pins like it should on this schematic diagram here. And there is a capacitor separating the pin 1 line from the middle of the potentiometer, assuming that this was the focus control. So I decided to make an adjustment on it anyway and see what happens. And I found that it's actually adjusting the width of the picture, not so much the focusing, but adjusting the width. The focusing has improved a little bit. I'll demonstrate. So I've marked where the original position is of the potentiometer. I'm going to adjust it back to close to its original spot. And the picture widens. So that's where its original position was roughly. Lining the dots up. Anyway, basically I'm getting a bit more squared up image when I adjust this potentiometer. I'm going to go to the other extreme, widen it a bit more, see if that, yeah, no, there you go so far. So this is at its extreme width, according to this pot. And this is to the other extreme. Anyway, just going to adjust it so it looks as square as possible. So that's pretty much about as square as I can get it. But as the linearity is a little bit more stretched on the left hand side, that's going to look square and that's going to look a bit rectangular-ish. Anyway, yeah, I mean, I don't know where the focus control is, but if that's the focus control, then yeah, it seems to be adjusting the width of the picture rather than the focus. Although the focus does kind of look a little bit more improved, but it's really hard to say. Anyway, I'll just keep tinkering around. I'll do a bit more circuit tracing, see if I can find if that is the actual focus control or if it's somewhere else. But I mean, the horizontal width control is meant to be a variable inductor, not a variable resistor. Alright, well, stay tuned for my next update when I've made a bit more of a breakthrough with getting the picture looking better. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.